Hello students, today I have a presentation for you on cyberbullying. So what is cyberbullying? So cyberbullying is bullying that takes place using an electronic technology, and some examples of those technologies are cell phone, tablets, computers, text messages, chat, email, websites. Social media sites are Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, WhatsApp, and YouTube. So what counts as cyberbullying? So cyberbullying is typically any types of harassing, threatening, demeaning language. It can also involve embarrassing another person online. So typically this is done through mean comments, online rumors, and even sexual remarks. They're usually connected with appearance, intelligence, race, or sexuality. So here are top 10 forms of cyberbullying. Exclusion: when you exclude someone from an online activity, social media, or text messages. So you know how you have like group texts? So sometimes when you do a group text and you exclude certain people, so that can consider a type of cyberbullying. Harassment: intentional bullying, when you intend to do something to someone that's mean. Outing: publicly shame someone, humiliating someone. Cyber stalking: harassing someone through online communication like emails or any other social media platforms. Fraping: when someone else logs into your social media accounts and impersonate you. Fake profiles: creating by someone to hide their real identity with the intention of cyberbullying. Dissing: when someone sends or posts cruel information about you online to damage your reputation or friendships. Trickery: when someone who is trying to gain your trust so they can share your secrets publicly online. Trolling: these people are called trolls. So when you're being trolls, you're being provoking a response to the use of insults. So a troll will personally attack you and make you angry to provoke a response out of you. And catfishing, which when someone steals your online identities to create a fake persona. So some really important cyberbullying facts. The most common type of online bullying is mean comments. So 22.5% of those are mean comments. 35% shared screenshots of someone's status or photo to laugh at them. 61% of teens who report being bullied said it was because of their appearance, what they look like, what their race is. 56% of online harassment victims reported that they had been harassed on Facebook. 7 in 10 young people experience cyberbullying before they can get to the age of 18. Social media platforms where cyberbullying occurs the most. 42% is Instagram, so Instagram is top. 30% is 37% is Facebook. 31% is Snapchat. 12% is WhatsApp. 10% is YouTube, and 9% is on Twitter. So what are some effects of cyberbullying? When kids are being cyberbullied, they become depressed. They skip school. They try to avoid being in school. They get bad grades because you're not in school, so you get bad grades. Your health is being affected by it. You become a bully yourself because you don't really have any other choice sometimes, and then you're starting to give up. Really some additional impacts. Victims of cyberbullying often experience much lower self-esteem, greater social anxiety, depression, and many experience suicidal thoughts as well. Cyberbullying can be a cause of alcohol and drug abuse, eating disorder, poor school performances, and much more. So what can you do to help as students? As students, you can speak up, stand up, provide evidence, report it to your school, report it to the website, talk to someone that you trust, demonstrate that you care, right? Work together to stop bullying. When you see something, tell them to stop, tell them don't do it. Don't encourage it as a student, right? And make sure that you are staying safe and stay away from all the bullying, and then most importantly, don't give up. And here are my references. If you have any questions, let me know.